everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to understand the working of ATM Machine Project in Python. This project works just like a real ATM. It allows you to check balance, deposit money, withdraw money, view mini statement with date and time. And it even includes a security feature that locks the account after 3 wrong PIN attempts. So let's see how this project works step by step. First, we need to run the program. So after run the program, it shows welcome to the ATM machine, enter your 4-digit PIN. If I enter 3 times wrong password, then my account is permanently blocked. So let's check it's working or not. Okay, first try incorrect PIN, attempt left 2. Okay, let's try another PIN. Okay, this is also incorrect. Then, okay, you can see now account locked, too many incorrect attempts. So if I enter 3 times wrong password, ATM machine won't be open. So again, we can start. Our password is, this is my password, I can created it, so I can choose 7890. So here you can see access granted. Please select an option to perform. First is check balance, so let's check our account balances. Okay, our account balance, current balance is 1000. Okay, let's check deposit. So I can deposit 144 rupees. So you can see now deposited successfully, new balance is itna. Okay, let's withdraw some money. Okay, 100 rupees. So now remaining balance is shows 1044. Now check for mini statement. Okay, this also shows my mini statement. I can deposit money at 16 matlab 4 baje, and then we can use again withdraw money. So if I press enter 5, then our project, thanks for using ATM machine, please visit again. So this is our project. So let's get started to build this project line by line. First we need to clear this. First we start by importing date and time. So import date time. Okay, date time module helps us record the exact date and time of every transactions. Then we need to print welcome to ATM machine. This line prints welcome message on the screen when the program starts. Okay, let's, after this we need to create password. I can create 7890. Then we need to initialize balance is equal to 100, sorry 1000. Then we need to define transactions. Transactions is an empty list that is used to store the history of the transactions. Okay, then we need to here attempt is equal to 0 and max attempt is equal to 3. If user enter 7890 password more than 3 times, then user can't be accessed to our ATM machine. Then we can write while loop attempt. This while loop runs until the user enters correct PIN, and simply PIN is equal to input, enter your 4-digit PIN. Okay, okay. Okay, this line works. We ask the user to enter 4-digit PIN and convert it into integer. Then we need to create validation of PIN. So we can write if PIN is equal to password. Okay, this line, now we check if the entered PIN matches our store password, this one. Then we need to print access granted. Now we can write main menu section. So we can use here while true. Then we can print here select an option to perform. They can, after that we need to print first one check balance. Then we can copy it for 5 times. Then we can choose 2, and we need to, second option is deposit money. Then we can choose withdraw money. Then we can many statement. Then last one is exit menu. So we can give number for them 4 and 5. Here inside the while loop, we show the ATM menu. The user can check balance, deposit money, withdraw money, and view many statement or exit. After that, we need to take the user choice as an input to print the operations. So we can write choice is equal to int, and we can give input, and we need to write here enter number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, we need to write actual logic of the code. So using if choice is equal to 1, then we need to simply print here using f string, and current balance in rupees, and we can pass here simply balance. If user select one option, we simply display the current balance. Next, for choice 2, deposit money. So we can use here elif and choice is equal to 2. Then we can create deposit input, enter amount to deposit. Okay, this line takes input he wants to deposit, like 500, 600, and then we need to enter. After that, we need to simply write balance, and if you enter 500, then we need to add deposit money into balance. Then we can use time, date and time. Then we can use strf time, and we can simply write here y. Then we can again use mod month. Then we can simply again then we can again h m and s. Okay, using this date and time, we need to record the data of date and time using date time and store in the current transactions list. Here we can store. After that, we need to use transactions and append time, and using f string deposited, and we can simply pass here deposit, and simply print using f string deposited successfully, new balance in rupees, and pass here balance. Okay, next we are going to option 3, withdraw money. So again we can use elif choice is equal to 3. Then simply we can take, then again we need to here withdraw is equal to int input, and simply enter amount to withdraw. Then we can use if withdraw Okay, this line works when the user enter selects withdraw amount. We check here using this. If balance is enough, then we subtract the amount stored, and we can after this we can time. So simply we need to here copy this time and paste here, and after this simply transactions dot append, and we can pass here time using f string withdraw money, sorry, withdraw in rupees, and we can simply pass withdraw and simply print here with using f string withdraw successfully, and we can write remaining balance in rupees, and we can simply pass also here balance. If balance is not sufficient, then we can write else and simply print insufficient funds. Okay, option 3 is also completed. Now for go for mini statement, so we can also use here elif choice is equal to 5, sorry 4, then simply print here mini statement, and using if not transactions, then we can print no transactions yet. Okay, this line works. Print the transaction history. If there are no transactions, it shows no transactions yet. And also we can use here else. We can use OT in transactions, and we can simply print here using f string again t, and simply print here available balance, and simply pass here balance. Okay, we cannot use here f string, so use f string and then balance. Now we can go here for option 5, use again elif and choice is equal to 5, and simply print here thank thank you for using ATM machine, please visit again, and simply write here break. Okay, here we can go here simply break, and we can use else. We can print else, we can print invalid input, please select 1 to 5 options, and simply use break. And again we can write for incorrect pins selection, so we can write code here else attempt class is equal to 1, and remaining is equal to max attempt minus attempt, and simply print incorrect pin attempts left, and simply print here attempt, sorry, remaining. Again we can forgot to write f string, then we can use remaining here. Okay, if the user enter the pin is incorrect, we increase the attempt one time and shows how many tries left After 3 wrong attempts, the account will be permanently locked. So we can lock for using if remaining is equal to 0. Then simply print here account blocked. Please try again after some time, and simply break here our code. Okay, our code will be completed, so let's check it. First we need to enter wrong password, so we can check. Okay, 2 attempt left. Again we can write, so again, then we can correct pin, so access granted, and then we can check balance, print 1000, perfectly run. Then we can do enter 1000 rupees. Then you can see deposited successfully. Then we can use third option, withdraw 1550 rupees. So we can check for 40 is showing. Then we can for to check mini statement, so we can enter 4. So here we can see with date and time deposited money, with available money is, and lastly we need to press 5 to exit the program. Thank you for watching.